This is the electrostatic mat for the Silhouette Portrait 4. Let me show you how I make stickers easily and conveniently and why I recommend this over the sticky mats. So to connect your Portrait 4 to the electrostatic mat, slide the two pieces together until they click into place. On top of the electrostatic mat, you're going to apply the protection sheet that it comes with and then turn everything on and place what you're planning to cut down onto the mat. You'll start hearing that electrostatic noise as the mat builds electricity to hold onto the materials. When you have your materials lined up, you press the arrow button to move the mat forward and then send your materials for cutting. It's going to read your materials and then start moving the mat back and forth through the machine easily and smoothly. So when the machine is finished cutting, you press the arrow to unload the mat and easily lift up and remove your cutout materials without any stickiness or mess that is usually accompanied by the regular sticky mat. This has saved me time, energy, and materials, and I definitely recommend this electrostatic mat.